some fun with everyone. We're all ready for this.
Awesome.
Going this way, go past all the guns.
Gummies. It's going to be roller coasters, mate. Adrenaline mountain.
I just want hands on the jet drivers.
Oh,
Of course you will.
All right, guys.
6, 7, 8. Well, I thought it wouldn't be fair to everybody else to watch me just roll over a car. Okay, guys, we're going out. Everybody's going to watch me while I roll over the next
We'd all cheer you on.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go forward? We're going to get some eyes in here.
Big.
Really?
I just seen a big gun.
Really?
That's a
Really
sniper
scared.
rifle. That's a big ass sniper rifle. She wants a sniper.
Yes. Oh, yes.
There you go.
My nickname is Sniper.
He's the shooter.
Have you guys ever shot before?
Yes.
Yeah.
Once in 2019
Those who have
in
sunglasses, you
California.
got to use our equipment, just mostly for safety reasons. Before we hand you every firearm, we'll also demonstrate how to properly hold it. Okay? And of course, once you are shooting, all right, you must keep on looking forward while you're shooting. Don't look away and do not turn away. All right? Somebody said shotguns and autos. All right. Bay 2, handguns and revolvers. Bay 3, rifles. That includes sniper rifles and lever actions and semi-autos. All right.
Right-handed?
Yes.
Oh, 762. Okay. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah. I'll shoot the star.
And they go for these main targets over here.
Now, does this have? Oh, so does this have 3-round amsing, or is this on full auto right now?
Full auto.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, go ahead. You're doing good. Natural. Now you're finished.
Me.
Every time she jumps.
That is much. Holy auto. So these mid targets right here. How's that? Good. Because they like a shotgun.
We got 2 more. She's got 5 more.
One more.
That hooked my hand. That was great. That was great. That's great.
Want to do one-handed for one of them?
Sure. Nice.
No way.
Really?
Nice work. Better shot. Damn.
I like that a lot. Honestly, that was a lot of fun. I don't know, maybe that might be my next. Maybe I have like a field and be in some kind of sniper or something.
Bodybuilder turned marksman.
job.
Nice work.
All right, go ahead and move to that 200-yard line and shoot the steel targets. Hit.
Nice. What do you think so far?
Well, I don't know if you know, but I'm a pro at this. Like,
Same as me.
you know, you actually.
You're up here.
What do you think, Neil?
Yo, bro.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's crazy, man. We're English. We've never shot a gun. Don't take this off. God dang.
How's that?
Whoa.
It's not bad, right?
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah,
Oh, damn.
you're ready. Just like the whole thing, you have to hold it down, okay?
Yep.
Go ahead.
That's so sick. Oh, I do? Oh, shit.
Sweet. Best $80 you spent. Hell yeah. I challenge Fuad to a shoot off, a duel.
50 going loud.
Oh,
Let's go!
Oh, that's
That was awesome.
dang.
I know.
Oh, man. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Am I high, low? What am I?
I don't think you're mad.
No, that was so high.
Oh yeah,
Serious.
Serious.
1, 2, 3, serious. 1, 2, 3, smile. Hey.
Okay, safety, guns up.
Distance in between each buggy at all times. Single file line, guided tour at all times. If you lose your guide, which is me, Sharif, don't go looking for me. I know where I lost you at. Just stay where you're at. I'll come back and find you, okay? Big guys, get.
Hello, friends. Today on the Hostile Team Adventures, we are going into the wilderness to go explore. We might not make it back. You ready, team? Let's go.
That's fun.
You know, I guess I'll break out my pro standard skills here soon. For 4x4. I call this one Nelly. Yeah, this is Nelly.
Bounce and you going for, and you don't expect to.
Fucking hell, man.
Yo,
Putting my faith in Nick.
What? You talking shit?
You guys lost.
In my defense, the sun was in my eyes, and so I took a left and we kept going in circles.
Oh yeah, I couldn't see for ages. I couldn't see because this is clear.
No, you
So I
did
was
good.
like,
Oh,